Welcome to another video regarding the weather station from Steinberg Systems, the SBS-WS-500 and the ecowitt Multi-Channel Thermo-Hygro-Sensors. The weather station is of course this unit here above, and the sensors are those three below. For unboxing videos, please see the other videos in my channel. There are respective unboxing videos for the weather station and the sensors. I will link them in the video description. This video will focus on the integration or the connection of the sensors to the weather station. Let's take a look how easy it is. Let's start with the first one. What's important to know is that each sensor have to transmit on a unique channel, and the channel selection is done on the inside the battery compartment with those small dip switches here above. This one is currently the first is above, and the second and the third one is down. That means, according to the legend at the back, that we are transmitting on the second row, channel 2. That's important to keep in mind when we are starting the sensors. Let's put some batteries in the sensor and see what's happening. Okay, channel 2 it shall be. Let's put the battery cover on and see what's happening. The sensor says channel 2. At the moment the temperature is 24.4 Celsius and humidity is 70. Let's see what's happened here above. We see that the values, temperature and humidity, they are cycling now through different values, and we have a small label there, T and H. Now it's switched again, and now it's back. And channel 2, that's channel 2, and we have the same values here above now, 25 to 51%. And that's the indoor temperature, that's the inbuilt sensor. That was fairly easy, I would say. Putting the batteries in the compartment, start the sensor, configure the channel, and then it works. Seamlessly. Let's start the second one. This one is running on channel 1, and now we should expect 3 different values up here above. That's channel 2. Now I have the indoor And now we have the channel 1. So we are switching between all available sensors. Let's start the last one. And then we will put this one on channel 3. That means we have to put the left switch, keep it down, and the middle have to go up. Let's try to do that. Like that. That should be configured on the third channel now. Put the batteries in the position and see if I did it correctly or not. Turn it around. Third channel, promising. Put it on the table. Now they should, and there is the third channel. That's all we have to do to integrate the ecowitt multi-channel Thermo-Hygro-Sensor with model number WN31 with the Steinberg Systems SBS-WS-500 weather station. Fairly simple, I would say. Thank you for watching and see you the next time.